welcome back to another vlog. This is Vincent Hitesh. You're watching DBY Sounds and Lighting. And again, we're back with one more show, one more school day event. As you can see, the setup, everything is done. So, and we got a good days running up, and we got a Isha show running up. And today is a date, like, yeah, it's 11th of December, January 2025. I'm still in December. So, everything is set up. It's last night. So, we got a 6 subs and 8 tops, two 12 series tops and two 18 series subwoofers. It's a Pope one, and we got a 125 kV running up for a sound and wall, and a 65 for the lighting. As you can see over there, we got a 65 one standing over there, and 125 over there for the sound and LED wall. And we are using LED monitors, and we got a flying LEDs for the display. We got two numbers of flying, yeah. And everything is a truss, everything 10 Sharpies, Leo Leon power lights, SI expression console, Q05 lighting, MA2 lighting board. Yeah, and I'll just flip the camera and I'll show you what all happened and what all the setting did, so you can get an idea of what all the shows running up. And we got a one LED flying over there and one LED flying over here. And we got a truss, we got a 10 cadence 10 Sharpies and a 4 blinders, tops, Pope 212 series top, 218 series subwoofers, and we got a snake drum running up, they are setting up, and we got a smoke everything, and our console board, subs, tops, we got a truss, blinders, Sharpies, power lights, and beams. This time we are using beams for the high brightness of the stage. And we'll go flying, and flying too. Oh, let me turn off the UPS. I just had a check now. So this is our lighting board, and it's a QO Pro, and the MA software is running on this. And the UPS we are using APC, and we are using this one, and a power distributor. This is a power distributor. We are using 125 kV power distributor. The subs, and this thing, the truss setup, and we got a lighting setup. Let me show you. We got one splitter over here, two splitters on top, and the LED wall design. We got wall design. We are running up this, and we got a two stands because it's an indoor closed one, right? So we can't do anything over here. And a Pope 212 series tops, and this is a heavy one, and we got a new tuning running up yesterday, so I'll just put a glance of the tunings which we did yesterday. And we are using the beams this time, and everything is powered, as you know. So our subs and the LED monitors. As I said, we got a 4 number of LEDs running up over here on the for the stage, and we got a truss setting up over there, and we got a 2 stands for the indoor one. You can see we got a 8 and 8 over here. And the design of the wall, we got a smoke over there, and we got a sparkle machine. We are using Yes Pro sparkles 1 and 2 numbers, and the 6 up 3 subs over here and 3 subs over there, and the tops 212 is heavy big tops. So we're using a different connection for the each one. We got a one and a different, it's a not looped one. We got a separate connection because the heavy tops, it consumes a lot of power. And we got a beams, we are using the beams there 2 and here 3, and we got a 2 distributors on top, 1 distributor over there, splitters. And as I say all time, just go back to the previous day for the setup vlog. We'll be having a setting everything over there, so we'll be having a fun, and a lot of fun we'll be doing on the setup thing. So I'll be exhausted every time on the setup time, so I don't make any intros or setup or something. So we'll be having on this time like the show day. When I come, I'll be fresh up. So yeah, just go and have a look, and do support, do subscribe, do like, and just if you want, if you like, do share. Thank you. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ
दादा का सूटकेस अल्ला तुम्हारा दादा का सूटकेस यारा उठ पटावड़ा
ಎಲ್ಲ
Gioco il PT di Sama di Mele, poi sei in un piccolo ballo, se può parlare italiano. जिसके छत्ते स्टॉक खाजा ले खाजा टके दे खाजा रेंज लिखा है
अच्छा तो इस लकड़ी का नाम क्या है?
దించేస్తామా
अंग्रेज लकड़ी चौपट राजा
దాంట్లో
अच्छा उसी से साढ़े 3 से मिठाई दिया है तो वो तो चलेगा
తిరిగా ఫోన్ చేసి కదా
అన్నా
వెళ్ళావనా ఎంత అంటే 2 3
మూడు అన్నా భుజం కట్ల
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಎತ್ತೋರಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಡೀರಾ ಮುಂದಾಗ
गुरुजी महाराज
అదేం పడుకోవడం తూపు ఉందో నాకు
हमने उसकी बात का विश्वास
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೀಮುಗಳು 5 ಬೀಮುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬೀಮ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 6 ಬೀಮೂ ಬೇಡ ಅದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ
and other private institutions. We wholeheartedly, on behalf of SKVS family, welcome you all. We also welcome people from press and electronic media. You play a very, very prominent role in the society today. On behalf of SKVS family, we welcome all of you to this auspicious day. Parents, of course, we always believe without you, nothing could have been possible here today. You are our inspiration, our support, and you are always with us. That is the story of our success. All the
I would like to invite Sujata ma'am for honoring the winners.
कितने सेर?
आलू प्याज नेनुआ मुरई मिर्चा साग सब टके से
जलेबियां गर्मा गर्म घी में गरक चीनी तरह चाशनी चबा चबले भूर का लड्डू